Hey guys, this is Barry with FaO&x Outdoors, and we're doing another unboxing video.
Here we go!
Hey guys, this is Barry with FaO&x Outdoors, and I have finally gotten my overlanding Jeep back. Please, if you got it overlanding and a rooftop tent, please do not go through a car wash. That has taken months and insurance and threatened to sue and all kinds of stuff. But we're back in the game now where we're getting there, so I can get back to all my adventures. This is what's been holding me up, is all of this. So as you know, if you watch my channel for any length of time, if you haven't, welcome. But I'm sponsored by Naturnest. They've always sponsored my all my overlanding videos and stuff like that. And so they just sent me the shower, which is freaking awesome, or the toilet that kind of opens up and has like a little privacy thing. And I wanted to show you how to put that on, and the 270 awning, which this awning I installed a fireplace on, which is really cool. If I can remember, I'll post a video so you can see that. In the winter, I run a full fireplace inside my awning, which is super cool. This thing's got walls. This Jeep can sleep 11 people, 2 in the top and 3 in the pink. And anyway, 270 awning, but I want to show you how to put this together. This is really important. So do not put the rooftop tent on first. Even though Naturnest is sponsoring the video and I love you guys, I can't thank you enough for Go Rhino they sent me the rack, and all of their stuff, all their brackets and stuff are insane. If you're looking for something to raise your tent up or to raise your awning or anything else, they even have, and I'll show you, the quick release rooftop tent brackets. So you can just, and I've dreamed of making something like that because it's such a pain. Let me get up here real quick. But yeah, here, these are made from, I haven't locked them down yet, but you take this, slide it off, and these come right off. I don't want to do it all, but yeah, you can quick release your rooftop tent. That's insane. I have that, which is a 3-inch riser, so it won't hit my my bed of my truck, or the cab of my truck. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, there you go. So what you do is you loosen this up and fit this, and then loosen this up and fit on this. The distance between here and here, you can measure there to there. That's 54 inches, and this is 56, so that's just perfect. And then I've loosened these. I kept these loose, so when I do stick this on here, I will absolutely, I'll know where to lock it in, then I can lock these down. If you see any different colors of the bolts, this typically comes with their own screws for here, but they don't come with screws here, so you have to go to Ace Hardware to get those parts. So yeah, so I wanted a quick video, bring you on here just to show you how to install this, put the awning on. The only thing I will have to do a further video, it is so humid here. We've got a hurricane just hit Texas, and it's just kind of rolling up. It's just super windy. Do you see this awning right here? This is also where the ladder goes to get on the rooftop tent. Rooftop tent raises like that. I'm not sure that that's the best placement for it, which I don't even know where the placement would be if it wasn't here. This unscrews, levers out, and bring down an awning. You can, it has a little pad for the bottom as well. But we're gonna see, I don't know, and this will be a future video, but I mean, you can honestly rest the ladder that goes to the rooftop tent on there. But I'm just super excited. I wanted to get you back on here. I've got the Pelican boxes back on. If you've watched me at all, these things are freaking completely changed into, let me just show you. It's just cool. But they're like little gun things from Pelican, and I put lights in here, and I'll show you exactly what all I did. I'll post it on a video. So yeah, take a look. I got a little, just hit this switch right here, then tap that. Come on, or am I messing up? Maybe it's the other way. There we go. But look at that. So that was my old setup over there. And so I'm finished with that deal. So I'm probably gonna sell that and get rid of it. But yeah, new deal. And freaking excited about this setup. But just wanted to share with you real quick. Super sorry I haven't done a bunch of adventure videos. I know y'all love those. I'm doing a lot of unboxing videos. But if you're ever wanting to set this up, do your awning stuff first and then put your rooftop tent on, is how the instructions are anyway. So I love you guys. Thanks for watching. And if you like these type of videos, hit the thumbs up, hit the notification bell. And guys, I'll appreciate y'all. I'll see you next time.